Joining me live, Rahul Rawat from the city of Manchester. Rahul, the first question almost everyone is now very keenly asking is the weather. It's the weather that has made for a lot of chat just ahead of the match. Can you give us a sense of what the weather will be like?
Well, the weather forecast isn't too great, I'm afraid. The Indian team, they had to practice indoors yesterday. And it was raining the last couple of days. It has been raining here. And there will be a few rain interruptions. And the day one, the forecast says that it will rain today. So that's one thing. So never easy for any batter to stop, start, stop, start. So it will be difficult. Whoever turns out to bat first in this test match, it will be difficult for them. And the forecast on the fifth day of the test match is also the same. It's going to rain on day 5 as well. But to start with, the conditions here are going to be overcast, not too friendly for the batters. So that's going to be the case as far as the weather forecast is concerned.
Now, given what Gill said in the press conference, what could be the probable 11th in your opinion?
Well, Shubman Gill did give some hints. Of course, it's not easy to get things out from these press conferences, especially on the eve of the test match. The players, the captain, the coaches, they usually don't want to reveal a lot in these kind of press conferences. But, well, of course, one thing was pretty clear that India is plagued by a lot of injuries. Nitish Kumar Reddy is already ruled out of the test series. Then Arshdeep is also not available with that hand injury. And now Shubman Gill also officially has announced that Akashdeep is also out of this test match, which gives an opportunity to young Anshul Kamboj to make his test debut alongside the other pacers would be Jasprit Bumrah and Mohammad Siraj. Sai Sudarshan, whatever we saw yesterday, Sai Sudarshan is expected to make a comeback into the test 11 here, and Karun Nair also is most likely going to retain his place. Now, the only issue that India might find themselves in would be that number 8 slot, whether to go in with Washington Sundar as a spinning all-rounder, or you want to go in with somebody like Shardul Thakur, who's a bowling all-rounder, as in fast bowling all-rounder. So that's one area that India will have to